When the team at Fisher&Pykel released the dish drawer, it changed the way people thought about dishwashing.
The dish drawer story is a fascinating story. It started with a couple of guys in Dunedin that had a really clear idea about the ergonomics of loading dishes.
It was recognised that there were some fundamental faults with the standard dishwasher from a usability point of view and an ergonomic point of view. There was a lot of bending down.
So they came up with this idea of two completely separate modules of equal size that were accessed as a drawer.
And they built a model out of a filing cabinet that represented the concept of the dish drawer.
What we discovered was that to enable the idea to happen, we had to invent everything that went into the dishwasher. There wasn't a motor that was small enough, there wasn't a heater that was thin enough, there wasn't a drain pump that was going to drain the water out, there was nothing.
So what had to happen is a huge amount of engineering resource to, within that small space, develop a motor and a pump and an element that worked in a very slim profile. And that took 9 years from the start of the concept right through to production for that to happen. Now, the first few years was just those two guys out the back building things. Ironically, the dish drawer name didn't come about until very late in the piece, but it stuck and it's been very successful, and it describes the product well.
Aren't the simplest names often the best?